Hey everybody, it's P, and yes, today we're gonna do a look based on Caesar from the Dawn of the Planet of the Apes. This is also inspired by Made You Look by Lex. Make sure to check her out. Alright, I've tidied up my hair and now I'm starting off by putting a light foundation on my face. This look would be best using face paints, but I don't have those, so I'm just gonna have to improvise. Using my old 3D compact from Everblena, I'm just gonna use that little shade to start shaping my nose. And using this CYO Deep Earth Brown from Sansan, I'm just gonna darken the corners or sides of my ape nose. Then I'm also gonna start contouring my nose and shaping a general angry ape expression. Rawr! Using this black eyeliner from 4U2, I'm just gonna draw my nostrils. Then basically contouring my face with a 3D compact that I used earlier. Now this product is a mix of lotion, Sansan foundation that I don't really need, and brown powders and pigments. Then I used this brown gel liner from Sansan again, and I just added more details and brown streaks to my face. And using this dark brown powder from NYC, I just added more details to my face. I added more wrinkles to my nose and to my forehead, and also tried to reshape my eyes. And I also darkened my under eye area using the same dark brown powder. Using a detailer brush, I added more details on my under eye area, rooting from the inner canthus going outwards. Then I'm just removing the remaining pigment on my mouth, then I'm covering it up with the same foundation. Using the gray-brown foundation, I covered my lower lip and extended it on both sides. Smile! And adding more details on my nose and adding more wrinkles using the detailer brush and the same NYC dark brown powder. My camera ran out of memory, so while transferring the files, I decided to draw more wrinkles and put the same foundation on my neck. Look at that face. Using a very old and revived black gel eyeliner, I just darkened the features of my face. Using this black eyeshadow from Everblena, I'm just intensifying the other details. Using the gray eyeshadow from the same palette, I just went ahead and added more shadows. It's time for the war paints. I just used this bright red eyeshadow to draw this line and then smudged 6 lines on my lip. Then I went ahead and tight-lined my lower lids using a tall pencil from Nikido. And of course, blush for the Kikai ape. Haha, crazy mode on. If you learned something from this video and if you like my transformation, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'd like to hear what you have to say about this look, so don't hesitate to write your comments down below. And share, spread the craziness. And if you want to see more from me, please do subscribe. Don't worry, I don't bite. Hope you had fun and see you next Friday. What should I do next? Do you have any suggestions?